Welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Today we are going to make Methi Matar Malai, and for that we will be needing about 200 grams of fenugreek leaves or methi leaves, about 1 cup of boiled green peas, 1 cup of cream or malai, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, sugar is optional, pinch of hing, and some chili garlic paste. For the gravy, about 3 chopped tomatoes, 1 large chopped onion, 10 to 12 cashews which are soaked in water for 1 hour, some garlic, red chili powder about 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Okay, we'll start preparing. So first we'll start preparing the gravy. For that we'll take onions, tomatoes, garlic and cashew. So we have grinded all the gravy ingredients and you get this thick paste. Okay, so next we have kept the water to boil. Okay, so now we are gonna just chop the methi leaves very finely, which we are actually gonna put in the boiled water. Okay, so now we are gonna put our methi leaves in boiled water and let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now we are gonna strain it to get rid of the water, and actually what happens is by boiling it we get rid of the bitterness in the fenugreek leaves. So that is the main purpose of boiling these leaves. So just strain the water. Okay, so now the next we are gonna heat the pan and add oil, and then we're gonna add hing and ginger garlic paste, and then we are gonna add our gravy. Okay, so now we are gonna continuously stir it for about 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now we are gonna add red chili powder and coriander powder and mix it. Okay, so it's been 5 to 7 minutes, and now we are gonna add the cream or malai and then mix it. Okay, so after adding cream, make sure that you stir it continuously. Okay, so after you get the boils, add salt and sugar. Okay, so lastly here comes the heroes of our dish, that is matar or green peas and fenugreek leaves or methi, and mix it well. Okay, so now we are gonna add a little bit of water and then give it a quick stir, and then we are gonna cover it for about 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, lastly we are gonna add garam masala and mix it, and there you go, your dish is done. So our methi matar malai is ready, and it smells really good, and it also tastes really yummy. So definitely give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and you can also leave your comments down below for any request. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.